Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through all the features available to consumer users in the Anywhere client interface. Let's start with the Options menu. Here you'll find two export choices, Export to Excel and Export to Report. When you choose Export to Excel, each data object in your dashboard will be saved as a separate sheet in an Excel file, with the data displayed in table format. If you choose Export to Report, the system will generate a multi-page PDF with detailed information, ideal for sharing or printing. In the upper right corner, you'll also notice an Export to Excel button. This performs the same action as the one in the Options menu. Next to it, the Print to PDF button captures a screenshot of your current view and saves it as a PDF file. Now let's look at the Share button. This allows you to generate links to the current document, which you can send via email or copy to share with colleagues. There are three link options. 1. A link to the document in its original state. 2. A link that includes any global criteria you've added or modified. 3. A link that includes both global and drill-down criteria. The bookmark feature lets you save a personal version of the document. This bookmark captures all current criteria, except drill-down criteria, and can be accessed later. To access your bookmarks, click the Folders button. From here, you can reopen bookmarks, view recently opened documents, or browse documents in shared folders. However, keep in mind that most of your documents in the shared folder, if not all, are also available directly through the main menu. Some documents may also include additional layouts. These offer alternative presentations of the same data. For example, this document includes a report layout that arranges charts and crosstabs across multiple pages, perfect for exporting as a PDF. In fact, this is the layout used when you select Export to Report. Clicking the Information icon will show you additional details about the document. The Subscribe option is useful only if scheduled jobs have been configured. For instance, you can receive an updated PDF report via email every week, automatically. In the top right, among other things, you will find the Preferences options. In Preferences, you can adjust a few personal settings to tailor your experience. Let's focus on the Crosstab. If you enable repeat dimension members, each exported row in Excel will include the purchase order number, as opposed to here, where it is only included when it changes. Disabling Keep Formatting will export raw data without background colors, bold text, or other styles. Right-clicking on any object opens a context menu with additional options. The top options mirror those in the Object toolbar. You can view object information, maximize the object, or toggle between crosstab and chart views. The Multi-Select feature is especially helpful on tablets or smartphones. It allows you to select multiple members at once. If you're on a PC, you can achieve the same result using the Control key. Finally, the right-click menu also includes an Export to Excel option to export individual objects.